Hello everyone and welcome to Reviewlogy. And today is our snacks edition, and today we are going to go with this one, Tata Soulfull Delicious Millets Ragi Bites. You might have seen its ad on TV probably. This is vanilla fills and this is strawberry fills. Okay, no maida, ragi calcium, and dal protein. It's commendable. Green sign here. So it is a veg product, obviously. Done by them and keep by us. 1924 and used by 29/5/25. 29/5/25. That's good. Let's open them up and have a taste. By the way, if you don't know, these things really help to open the things up like this. Okay, that's a decent amount. I'm gonna taste it. Yes, it has strawberry fillings, obviously, as the name suggests. Look around this. The both look same. This one is with vanilla flavors, as you can see. Okay, not bad. Not really bad, either. As you can see, they look good. And these small things. The one thing I am really curious is right now the inner filling is kind of solid. So how is it going to impact during summer? Is it going to be flowing or is it going to be same as it is right now? Because that could make a real difference. Let's try both of them at the same time. Get that out of there. Okay. It's really hard to tell what flavor it is when you mix them together. That's kind of interesting. I don't even know. But if you eat them single, you can tell a difference. Like, look at this. How much filling it has in it. See, not a lot, but it's good. You can they are almost same with a little bit of difference in them on a taste point of view. Other than that, both are crunchy, sweet, and kind of addictive, in my opinion. But it's good. So, if you ask me, which like how I'm going to rate them, I don't know really. It's not like chocos, which is you have to mix in milk and then eat. You can do the same. You can do this with this also. You can do the same with this also, but it's kind of good when you eat it this way. It doesn't feel so dry. Good. So on the scale of 5 on the basis of taste, they both are similar to each other except for a little bit of strawberry flavor in this one. I'll say maybe 3 on the flavor, because they are delivering what they are saying, that yes, it has a strawberry flavor and that has vanilla, and that's true, it has that. But if you want to like put them together in your mouth, it doesn't make a whole sense, that you can't even make a differentiate that how they actually differ at that particular point. Crunchiness, quite good, but overall, I'll say it is 3.5 out of 5. I already told you it is addictive. See, only one left here. It has a little bit more, but it is what it is. Ragi Bite, very good. See you next time.